To all the additional maths students and maybe teachers, today I would like to share the formula of divisor of a line segment. The section formula, okay, the section formula tell us about the point that divides a line segment into two parts, where the length of each segment is in a certain ratio. So the ratio is mn, and the point there is unknown. So the section formula is also known as, we call as ratio theorem. Okay, for the KBSM, we used to call as ratio theorem, but we can also call as ratio formula. Okay, the midpoint of a line segment is the point that divides the segment into two parts of equal length. The section formula starts from the midpoint formula, and it is a formula that is suitable to determine the location of a point that divides the line segment according to a certain ratio. This section formula is very useful in other fields such as physics to find the center of mass of system, equilibrium points, and so on. Internal divisions with section formula. If a point is between 2 points on a line segment, therefore the point divides the line segment according to a certain ratio. The formula to find the point can be derived by building two similar right-angled triangles as shown below. The hypotenuse is along the line segment and is in the ratio m:n. So as you can see, for the red triangle, the hypotenuse is m for the ratio, and then for green triangle, the hypotenuse is n. Okay, example, the length for the AP is let's say 20, and the PB is let's say 10. So the ratio is 20:10. So it's 2:1. That means your m is 2, n is 1. Okay, and normally the point A and point B given. Okay, given, and you are asking to find the point P, which is unknown point xy. So for Form 4 students, you need to know how to derive the formula. So okay, we are going to discuss how to derive the formula for the triangle ratio m:n. Okay, there are two triangles with the hypotenuse ratio m:n. So the distance of P from A is m/m+n times AB. That is x equal to x1 plus m/m+n times x2 minus x1. And after simplify, you will get the x equal to mx2 plus n x1/m+n. And after you solve for y, you will get my2 plus ny1/m+n2. So therefore, you can find the unknown point for point P. So we will use the inquiry 1 to use the Geogebra to explore the relationship between the position of a point on a line segment and its ratio. So first of all, you need to scan the QR code or visit the link on the right. And then after that, you need to drag the point P on the line segment AB to the left and right. And observe the values of m and n display. Then what is the relationship between the position of point P and the line segment and the values of m and n? Okay, so we are going to scan the QR code, and then we will try to do this activity so that you can understand Okay, now let's see the next one. What is the relationship between the position of point P on the line segment and the values of M and N? Consider the position of point P on the line segment AB and answer the following question. How many parts are there between point P and point A? How many parts are there between point A and point B? How many parts are there between point A and point B? And where are the lengths of AB? What are the lengths of AB and PB in terms of AB? Determine the ratio of AB ratio to PB, and what is the relationship between the position of point P and the line segment. And then, okay, after the activity, point P on the line segment AB divides the line segment into two parts in the ratio of M to N. Ratio M to N means line segment AB is divided into M plus N equal parts. Okay, M plus N equal parts. The position of point P on the segment AB determines the M number of equal parts from the point A to the point B to the point P and an N number equal parts. Now I would like to show you the Geogebra showing point P starting. Okay, the M is 2 and the N is 8. You can see the ratio for AP to PB is in the ratio 2, 8, which is 1, 4. Now M is 4, M is 5, M is 6, N is 4. Keep on moving the point P, just glide the position of point P. Okay, then M is 6, N is 4. So you can have a clearer picture what is Divisor formula. So M is 5, N is 5. The P is at the middle of point A and point B. So this is the midpoint for line AB when M is 6, N is 4. Okay, now we change M is 7, N is 3 because the P moving closer to point B. And then we will observe the changes of the position of point P. So we will stop at M equal to 7, N equal to 3, and then we change M equal to 8, M equal to 9, and M equal to 10, N equal to 0. You will stop at point B. Sorry. Okay, so now I move back. N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now N is 8, M is 2. Okay, so you can see the changes of the position of the point P when the ratio is changed. Okay, so we will have a very good understanding if we really do the inquiry for each of the subtopic. Okay, until here, that's all. Have a nice day.